Today we'll talk about how can you find your point history on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my membership program here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on my point history here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and here you will find all your punch history. It's going to show for you here in this list. So that's all you have to do to find this list. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.